Start.
Well, gentlemen, I would like to introduce myself as one Mr. Anil Deshpande. I am around 72 years of old age and working as a consultant in auto component industry in Pimpri-Chinchwad. Well, basically on the subject of my knee replacement surgery done by Mr. Narendra Vaidya at Lokmanya Hospital, Nigdi, I would like to just give you a recap of the developments prior to the operation and even the feedback of the post operation sort of, which I would like to give. Now this has been around I have been a cricketer, I have been a table tennis player, I have been a badminton player right since my childhood. And then there was a gap of about 15, 20 years. And say from 1993 to about 2018, September, I have been playing badminton religiously daily morning from 6 to 7:30. Somewhere in 2006, I was advised by one of the orthopedic surgeons, definitely not Narendra Vaidya at Lokmanya Orthopedic Hospital, but some other surgeon, that my knees are having a problem. Now, I got it x-rayed. I came back home and I told my wife that this is what it is, that is the development, that perhaps it will require a surgery. So, my wife being also a tech-savvy person, she just went on the Google, thanks to the information technology these days, and looked for the best orthopedic surgeon, particularly in Pimpri-Chinchwad, Pune area, or all over Maharashtra. And she got to know one Mr. Dr. Narendra Vaidya, and she told me that this is what it is, that he is a renowned doctor. So why not go to him? I said, yes, fair enough, it's okay, no issue. And I went to him. I showed him the earlier x-rays and all that. And he had thoroughly checked it. Then he had just physically checked my knees also, the muscles also, and said that yes, you will be requiring surgery. So I said I had some little bit queries on Dr. Narendra Vaidya's advice, in the sense that, in fact, the problem was threefold. One was that the gap had narrowed, and there was what you can call it as a friction in between the whatever that technically called as joints, that even the bones, they got damaged. And that is how the threefold problem was. One is the knee pain. The second, some fragments of bones floating around in my right knee. And the third was some water accumulation in the right knee. And I just queried him that this is what it is, and these are the three problems which have been diagnosed. So will everything be okay after operation? He said, yes, it will be. The kind of confidence which he had shown, I was very highly impressed. I got myself immediately admitted, got the knee surgery done. It has been almost now 3 months. And I can find the difference between my earlier life when I was a very young man and now at this age. And basically, the kind of hospitality, the kind of dedication, the kind of involvement with which the entire organization and the staff works there is highly phenomenal and worth appreciating. I thank Dr. Narendra Vaidya as well as his entire staff for having really taken care of me like a fatherly figure. Yeah, that's all. Thank you very much. Thanks.